Chaga chaga choo choo. What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train LLC Multi-Chain Store in Cincinnati, Ohio. I promise you will be more broadcasts here, but longer broadcasts and streams, whatever, or installation like longer installations. I'm working on two layouts right now. Will be right there, guys. There's like whatever YouTube calling it. Special button you click and you will go to DCC Train Live channel. Also, I just put it here in our chat. It will be in description, and I leave a comment just in case. All right, so I have tons of questions after a presentation of that. I didn't really plan that streaming, but it's just too much going on today, day off from my full-time job. So let's get started. Bunch of questions on how to save money especially for beginners, guys. The hobby getting expensive, but you can start with DCC with a good system, and you have bigger layout already. If you have it, you want to convert it relatively inexpensive. So I talk about Zephyr and that new box. I call it just calling box. That's wireless server Digitrax made. Okay. So now, how you can save money not buying like brand new Evolution like this system for almost like $500. We're glad to sell it to you, but again, you can avoid that spending money. You can lately like upgrade it, okay? But I'm very positive you can start it around, we'll calculate it together. So you can get 5 amp system if you have like huge layout already, not DCC, and you want to convert it. Wireless, thank you Digitrax to bringing that LNWI unit. And now everybody has at least one phone or like older tablet or something like this. You know, this is, I'm working with iPad. Okay, next time we'll do same thing with Android with JMRI. Okay, I just got newer Android only for that purposes. So if you can get, again, this is only for testing purposes because I don't have it. If you can get inexpensive, we're talking about maybe 70 to $90 used in, of course, in operational condition. DS 100 or 150. I think 150 has no feedback when you're programming. Okay, but again, it doesn't matter. We just need a control. And about power supply for from $30 to $40. I prefer Digitrax new power supply. You're spending $50, but it has voltage control output. Okay, that will be main expense. But again, you can use it with anything else. Again, in the future. And connecting that, I'm calling box. Yes, just assuming this is DCS 100 or 150, and via Loconet you're connecting LNWI here, right? And you have your paid version of WiThrottle, and I'll show you everything. You're good to go. The power supply will be a little bit different. Again, I prefer Digitrax. I think it's I don't want to confuse you with the number, but like Digitrax still manufacturing them with adjusting voltage output. Sorry, I'm repeating myself, but just to be clear. Now, the used command station will run from, let's say, 75 to $100, okay? Power supply. So you probably, if you checking it on eBay periodically, or maybe some local hobby shop, you know, sometimes we even selling it. Some guys try to get rid of the stuff, or moving to a higher level, or expanding stuff, changing system, whatever. Then power supply for, let's take the maximum, like $50 plus like $80, $130, and this LNWI is $60, so $210. You're getting wireless system already for with 5 amps for $210. Okay, Zephyr is, don't get me wrong, Zephyr is super nice. We're selling Zephyr for $175, and I did the same test just to check it. Works the same. 175 plus 60, so it's 135. I'm not mistaken. Yes, 3 amps. But the advantage of this is has a power button. And again, I'm just talking about controlling layout, not programming. Me personally, I'm using Sprog for programming everything. It's easy, more efficient, rather than punching buttons here. It's just me, okay, on a special programming track. But now, if you're getting that set up with just command station, okay, going to top, with only command station, there is no power button. There is button like selecting different scale and the mode, but right. But with the new, and it's actually very nice. It has a track power indicator and just brighter LEDs. You don't have that power button, so we're going to use WiThrottle, and I show you how it's working to power up that engine, and we'll run it and call a day today. So I'm starting it real quick. Okay, next time I will do it with JMRI. So first you're connecting this with the Loconet, doesn't matter which one socket, and selecting your properties. Now I'm connecting to one of my wireless network at home, and I'm just connecting. I need to reconnect it with DTX1, etc. And I don't need any passwords. In a few seconds it's already connected. Okay, now I'm quitting that, starting my WiThrottle application. Again, it's paid version. Now see, the status of the track is like negative. It should be on. Now watch that. This, here we go. Engine started immediately because it has ESU lock sound select. By default it just start. You can adjust it starting with any button, but usually F8 turn the sound off. Okay, everything clear here, but I'm turning the lights. See, you will see the headlight. Oops, sorry, no, I need to select because it was completely off. The system was off, so I'm selecting that loco. It's under address 3, okay, and I'm going to my throttle, turning the lights on, headlights, F6 for ditch lights, okay, and that indicator showing the track power, of course. Now F5 for the number boards, okay, and we just blow the horn. You'll see the ditch lights alternating, and that's it. Now you're controlling it, and you have system with 5 amps. And one more time, this is just an example. That will be some used but in perfect shape different command station. Okay? Next time we'll do it with the GMRI, the version for Android. Also, I can use computer, and I don't want to overwhelm you guys right now, but you can use definitely computer to do the same thing. But that's the easiest way to save a couple of bucks. You know, throw maybe. Oh yeah, let's just turn it off. F8. I'll show you again. So F8 for select. Whoever first time even here don't understand what I'm talking about. That's how I mentioned it, but that's how you're turning sound off with Lux Sound Select decoders. Okay, I guess we have a couple of viewers. Maybe you guys knew, and again, it's maybe complicated, but it's absolutely not. All right, so thanks for coming. Thank you for supporting business. I have 3 video to edit of our new short reviews, you know, but all longer installations again will be like in the channel right there, DCC Train Live. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming again. We'll see you on Saturday, probably from the store, short broadcast. And we'll do definitely, I have tons of installation to complete, all right, on that live channel. Longer installation with like, I'll try to explain everything I'm doing. Cool. Have a good one. Bye. Chaga chaga, choo choo.